Good morning, dear students. Today in EVS class, I am going to start the last chapter of our half-yearly course, that is chapter number 8, and the name is Birds. So please open page number 62 and watch the video very properly. You have to keep the chapter open whenever you watch it. Okay? So let's start Birds. Dear students, we all love birds, isn't it? Because they are very beautiful to look and they have wings through which they can fly in the sky. They are very unique, or they are unique creature in this world. Okay, unique means special, one and only, because nobody or nothing is there like bird. So that's why they are unique. So after explanation of the chapter, we will able to know about appearance and features of birds, then flight mechanism, then feeding habits and nests, then different shapes of birds' feet. So let's start what written. See, with the sun rays touching the window of your room every day whenever the rays of the sun touching to our window pane, you wake up with melodious chirps and tweets. Then you wake up from the bed and heard some sound. Melodious means sweet sound or tuneful sounds, uh, called melodious. Chirps and tweets means, you can say, chirps and tweets means short and sharp sound of a bird. Okay, so this sound coming in from outside. From outside, this sound coming every day, isn't it? Who else would it be? So who are they? Who made this sound but our beautiful feathery friends? They are our only beautiful and feathery friends. They are beautiful, very beautiful, and feathery means their body is covered with feathers. Not only body, their wings also covered with feathers. So they are called feathery friends, and which we call birds. So their name is bird. Okay, not name. They are we call them birds. Have you ever looked out of the balcony? Balcony, you can say veranda, and wondered means the thing which is very surprising to us. Okay, surprising to us. What makes them so unique? So bird is very surprising to us, no, because they are unique. So what make them unique? And that is discussed in this chapter. So first point is appearance means how they look like, and features means their quality. They have some special quality that make them unique. So this is discussed here. So birds are different sizes and colors. This all we know. They are different in size and colors. So they are warm-blooded creatures. Creatures means animals, you can say. So warm-blooded creatures means the body temperature of these animals change according to the surrounding temperature. Okay. They have some special internal mechanism which help them to warm up in colder areas and cool down in warmer areas. So they are called warm-blooded creatures with a backbone. Backbone, you can say spine. The spine or the chief support system. Okay. Like us, birds also have backbone. Okay. So they are known as vertebrates. Vertebrates, you can say the animals have backbone is called vertebrates. Those animals have backbones are called vertebrates. Okay. Their body is usually covered with feathers. This I told you, their body is covered with feathers. They have two wings. You all know that birds have two wings, isn't it? Through which they can fly. Two scaly legs. Scaly legs, you can say, see here. See here. Scaly means thick and dry flake of skin, or you can say dry layer of skin. Okay. So their leg is scaly. Two scaly legs with claws. Claws, you can say this portion, nail portion. Okay. A curved pointed horny nails is called claw. So legs with claws and beaks. This portion is called beak, mouth portion. Okay. Then most birds also have good eyesight. They have good eyesight means they can most of the birds easily see something. And hearing quality also there, most of the birds have very good. Okay, so they reproduce by laying eggs. They reproduce means to produce again or make again. They produce a baby bird, okay, by laying eggs. This all you know. Hen gives us eggs, ducks gives us eggs, another birds also lay eggs. Okay, so up to this much for today. I hope you understood.